Hello, beautiful people. Take a look at my fluffy, delicious, yummy plantain oat pancake made with love with a dash of spinach. Welcome to my channel. My name is Runo, and I'll be showing you how to make delicious, fluffy pancake using plantain. Okay, so I started by blending my tiger nuts that was soaked for days, for like 2 days, and then I sieve it. I separated the chaff from the milk. Here you can use any plant-based milk, almond milk, coconut milk, any milk plant-based is okay, but if you don't, you can use normal milk, right? and then and then I have 2 cups, I have 2 eggs, I have my plantain. Yeah, I have 2 fingers of plantain, and I have 2 cups of rolled oat. Please, you need rolled oat. And then I have my pitted date soaked for few hours, and then deseeded, and then it's pitted. And then I went ahead to peel my plantain. Right, I'm using 2 fingers of plantain. I peel off the skin and I cut it into the blender. Right, and then I'll go ahead with my oats, 2 cups of oats, and then I'll also introduce my pitted date. Yeah, you can introduce your pitted or any other sweetener that you have. You can use jaggery, you can use any other sweetener, but please do not use sugar. And then I went ahead to break my eggs. Right, I'm using 2 cups of eggs, so you can use chia eggs. Like, you can use chia eggs in chia seeds soaked in place of eggs if you want it 100% plant-based, right? Okay, and then I went ahead with my 2 cups of um plain unsweetened tiger nut milk, and then I added a pinch of salt, and then cinnamon powder for flavor, and then I also added a bit of baobab powder. So this baobab powder is optional, cinnamon is optional, so just go ahead and use what you have. If you don't have any of this, it's fine. So I added it because I have it, and then I went ahead to blend smooth. Okay, once it becomes very smooth, you go ahead and pour it into your bowl, and then go ahead to fry. But because I remembered I have pumpkin seed and spinach leaf in the freezer that is left over, and then I had to turn back the paste into the blender, and then I added the spinach leaf. Yes, it's frozen, you can see it's frozen. I have it. It's what I used leftover from smoothing, and then I had to blend it back. Okay, so I went ahead to blend it. Right, you can see the color will change after blending. Okay, so it's no more the same at this point. If you know you've not subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You can see the color has changed from normal to a little bit light green. And then I use my electric skillet. You can use a normal frying pan, and then grease the pan with coconut oil or any oil of choice, but I use coconut oil. And then you can then fry your your pancake. Okay, and then flip it over. Once you notice the top is bubbling, has little bit of bubbles, just go ahead and flip it. That means it's almost getting ready. Yes, you flip it, and then voila, your pancake is ready. Go ahead, enjoy. You can use Greek yogurt, you can use it, take it with tea. This is just perfect breakfast for anybody. Your babies, your children will love this. Perfect for the family, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you've gotten value, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Yeah, so once it's ready, just go ahead and then take it out, and voila, your pancake is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.